Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in Audi A4 full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, letting the engine cool, and disconnecting the battery. Gather a new coolant, a drain pan, and the correct funnel. Locate the coolant reservoir and radiator drain plug or petcock. Loosen the drain, collect old coolant, then close the drain and refill slowly to the proper level using the specified coolant type. Start by removing the reservoir cap and placing a drain pan under the radiator drain plug. Open the drain gently and let the old coolant flow out completely while checking for debris. If present, run distilled water through the radiator until the outflow runs clear. Close the drain plug securely and wipe any spills, then prepare to refill with the correct coolant mix recommended for your engine. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with weekend wrenching. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab your copy or related tools. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the recommended coolant into the radiator or reservoir using a funnel, filling slowly to minimize air pockets. Start the engine and let it idle with the heater set to warm to circulate the fluid and release trapped air. Monitor the level and add more coolant as needed until stable, then tighten the reservoir cap. Inspect hoses and clamps for leaks and double-check the level after a short drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.